next section is another special Christmas tradition. I love to dance, and one of the things that I love to do is go watch the ballet, the Nutcracker, every year. I got to dance in the Nutcracker many times when I was a kid, and now I love watching it. So the Nutcracker is a classical ballet. It was written over 100 years ago, and in the ballet, a little girl named Clara gets gifted a nutcracker, and that nutcracker comes to life and takes her to a magical land of sweets. So there's a song in that land of sweets called the Waltz of Flowers, and we're going to learn some moves from that song today. Now, a waltz is a very special song. To do a waltz, you only need to be able to count to 3. Can you count to 3? Let's try. 1, 2, 3. You've got it. Now, a waltz, those 3 beats go down, up, down, up, try down, tippy toes, down, tippy toes, down, tap, tap, down, up, down, up. Let's go side to side. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, take your arms and clear the air. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Good, now take them overhead and go side to side. Down, up, down, up. Great. You've got this. Let's try this with a little bit of music from the Nutcracker. So the music started. We're gonna take a strong pose. I'm gonna use this ballet pose with one leg back. Stand nice and tall in whatever pose you picked. And we're gonna pretend we have a big basket of flowers and throw them. Throw. Good. We breathe and we're gonna listen because the music's gonna go down, up. We're gonna try with it. Ready? Down, up. Good, side to side. You can use those arms. Good, take them up. Back to side. And if you want to get fancy, you could turn. Have a little fun with it. Take the arms back overhead. And pose.